Here's a quick and simple tutorial to get you started on creating a Chrome extension. A Chrome extension is an app inside of your Chrome browser. It can do all sorts of fun stuff. So get your text editor going. Don't mind me, I'm using Linux, but it's the same process overall. Open up any text editor you want and create a file called manifest.json. A manifest.json file provides important information on the app we're creating. Type along with me. Of course, you can change some of the information I've provided here, but to be clear, I've provided a link on Chrome's developer guide on Manifest so you can explore more on what you're making. Make sure you also provide an icon. You can check out over at material.io for great material designs icon. Once that's done, create popup.html file and let's put a div with a width and a height, and let's type in hello world or hello Chrome if you want. Once that is done, head over to Chrome extension, load unpack extension and select the folder you just made along with the manifest HTML and icon. And now you just activate it and then we're done. I posted this on GitHub if you're interested and explore more. Thank you for watching.